Hello everyone. Are you tired of water getting in your vehicle?
We all know that many people forget to close the sunroof when they leave their vehicles, and all of a sudden, weather change and start raining.
Or you having problems with water getting into your home when it's raining because you left the windows or the skylights open? So the water got everywhere inside your house. That caused a lot of damage to your flooring and furniture.
If you don't have a smart automated system that controls all your windows and the skylight, you must start to think to install one.
Another problem that mostly homeowners always having with rain on their swimming pool.
For all solutions, we got a unique design that is worth and affordable to many people to use in their life to protect themselves and their properties. It's reliable, high sensitivity for raindrops, and fast in response to react immediately to take action and warn people. Stay with us and watch our video.
We are pleased to have you participate with us in this simple video to learn about a new design that may bring positive change in our future life. It's the rain sensor with alarm sound to detect rain.
The basic idea of our project is to detect rain using the rain sensor with the alarm to warn people in such a short amount of time that it's going to rain. In this circuit diagram, we have an input device, rain sensor, connected to Arduino board pin 2, and the output device, alarm buzzer, connected to pin 4. We added to the circuit a contact relay so we can control the coil of the relay to energize the closing switch and close the sunroof or any other object on different applications, such as closing windows and swimming pool cover. When the open switch is pushed manually, it sends a signal to the motor control module that is built in the vehicle and start to open the sunroof.
Then, when the rain sensor detecting rain, it tells the Arduino board to send a high signal to energize the alarm buzzer and the coil of the relay. And that relay will send the voltage signal from other source, such as a battery or DC power supply, to feed the control switch that will close the sunroof.
In this simple circuit, we have the Arduino board to control the input and output signal to communicate with devices. The rain sensor is connected to A1 small board. Also, we have the alarm buzzer connected to the Arduino board.
Also, we use the breadboard to organize parts and connected them together using a small wires without the need of soldering, and that makes it super easy to assemble. We use the USB cord to connect the circuit to the PC and also to energize the Arduino board and transfer data.
As soon as we connect the USB cord with 2.0 output port from the PC to the Arduino board, the green light comes on that tells us the board is ready to transfer data with the PC.
After we downloaded the code into the Arduino board and saved it, we are going to test our circuit and see if it's gonna work when we drop some water on the rain sensor.
I'm going to add some drops of water on the rain sensor and show you what is going to happen as soon as the water touches the sensor. Very impressive, the alarm turned on immediately, which is telling us how fast the circuit responds.
Now, if we dry the water drops off the sensor, we can see that the circuit alarm stopped automatically and the LED light switched back to earlier steps.
Welcome again. We are going to show some interesting applications that we can use our circuit to develop alarming systems.
Those applications are the most interesting ones that people want to have to to use our circuit design to help with safety.
As John mentioned, those applications are the top priority to many people on their own assist, and they are always having problems with the tools of storm that affect their lives so badly. But now, if they are starting to use our design, definitely they will find worthy and reliable to help them save their own asset.
We have the circuit assembled in this control box. We put our circuit in this enclosure box. This is the OBD cord with the connector, and this cord is a power supply that's plugged in the vehicle. Now, let's move to the vehicle and start our project demonstration. We will start to test the circuit in this vehicle F-150 year 2020. First thing, before we start to test the circuit, I will open the sunroof and the moonroof manually by pressing the push button. We are going to use this device reader to access CAN bus network inside the vehicle. It has Wi-Fi to connect with OBD adapter. This is the OBD adapter that goes into the vehicle female section in the front of the driver's seat, as you see down here. Before we start, we are going to connect the OBD adapter with the device. As you see here, this device has different options for connection, but we are going to use the Wi-Fi. This is the BOC menu, the basic operation control menu. We navigate through the menu to check for safety and setting. In the setting menu, using the code firmware, we select the J number that controls the closing switch of the sunroof. Now we can save the code setting and download it to the vehicle to set the new PIN number. Now we safely close all open menus and exit the system and close the program and turn off the device. And of course, we remove the adapter.
After we have done with the firmware setting, we start to use our circuit embedded design. We plug in the power cord to energize the circuit. Then we are going to plug in the OBD adapter to the vehicle to connect with the CAN network. As you see, as soon as we plug in the OBD adapter, the red light comes on to ensure connection. Now we are going to test the circuit with water drops on the sensor. Wow, amazing! As all you see, the circuit is successfully working and starts to send an immediate signal to close the sunroof, and the alarm goes off simultaneously with the sunroof.
If you are interested in our project and design, you can find us on
LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, X Twitter, and YouTube.
Follow us on YouTube channel Go Smart to explore our new projects and design that help to improve safety and security. You're welcome anytime to visit our channel and discover our products and much more.
Thanks for watching our video and feel free to contact us for any help needed.